BJP State President Ernest Maury today alleged the NPP-run state government of misusing the Focus scheme. Talking to reporters, Maury said that the NPP candidates in some constituencies, like West Shillong, are going to the public and are asking for bank accounts to transfer Rs 4,000 to 5,000 under the Focus scheme. He said that even though the scheme is meant for producer groups and farmers in the rural areas, the scheme is being misused by NPP for their party candidates in some urban constituencies. The party, which is upbeat about the Congress Gujarat polls victory, also said that the party did well even in Himachal Pradesh, though it could not get the majority. Meanwhile, even Cabinet Minister and BJP MLA Sanbor Shulai has accused NPP and other allies of fooling the public by hijacking BJP's central schemes for electoral gains.
So they have to prove, no? It's not easy, you just give the statement in the press, then you say that, then let them keep the clarification that from where that money come. As far as the knowledge, we came to know that it is a loan they have taken from some foreign investment. Let them come clear with that.
All these activities fooling the people in a state during the election will have to go and enlighten the people that this is not their scheme. This is the scheme provided by the BJP government. That is also through the support of us.